R-Link 2 allows you to adjust certain air conditioning functions in addition to the controls located below the screen. The air conditioning banner is available on all the pages. You can activate or deactivate your air conditioning, select an automatic mode, normal, soft or fast, change the ventilation speed, activate the interior recirculation of air in the passenger compartment, distribute the flows of air in the passenger compartment. Depending on the vehicle, you can also activate or deactivate the additional air conditioning control in the rear seats by pressing the rear button. Select the manual mode to allow the rear passengers to adjust the ventilation speed.